Welcome back to Murphy's Odyssey. In this episode, we explore one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world, Niagara Falls. From riding into the mist, crossing into Canada, and dining with a view, it's a full day of unforgettable experiences. We started our day on the US side of Niagara Falls, taking in the roaring beauty up close. The views here are spectacular, especially from the observation deck. One of the things that we looked forward to the most was the Maid of the Mist. This ride takes you right into the heart of the Horseshoe Falls. It's loud, wet, and absolutely unforgettable. This has to be one of the kids' favorite things that we did during this trip.
That's what we're gonna go into. Not fully.
You want to bet? What do you think they... Hey guys. Hey.
Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Oh my
After drying off, we walked across the Rainbow Bridge into Canada.
Come this way, then go that way.
And maybe back and forth a couple times. It's a quick crossing and totally worth it for the views and atmosphere on the other side. Your passport is required, and you will want to bring cash so that you can pay the small fee. Of course, if you're going to view the falls from the Canadian side, why not do it from the Skylon Tower?
We can do it.
For dinner, we headed up into the tower for a panoramic view of the falls. The food, fantastic. The view, even better. We were even treated to a great sunset. Once the sun went down, the falls lit up, and it was spectacular. After finishing dessert, we went to the sky deck to see the falls lit up. Every evening, they put on a fireworks show over the falls. After leaving the Skylon Tower, we went down to the park along the falls to watch this show. Whether you're here for the thrill of the boat ride, the international adventure, or the beauty at night, it's a place you'll never forget. In our next episode, we continue our 17-day journey as we leave New York, head through Ohio, stopping at a national park, then on to Kentucky to visit one of the world's largest cave systems, before heading to Indiana. We hope to see you next week.